Hi, I'm Mike May, full-time trader, nicknamed the Naked Trader because I use blank charts. Okay, let's get started. As promised, I'm going to show you all the shortcut keys on MetaTrader 4. Okay, if you press F1, it'll take a few seconds and bring up the help guide. Okay, if you press F2, it will bring up the history center. Okay, if you press F3, it'll bring up your global window. Okay, if you press F4, that'll be to download a new MetaTrader, which we won't use. F6 you also won't use, that's a test window. And F7 is properties. F8 you would definitely use, because that is if you want to, instead of going right click properties, this will bring up your window in order for you to change the color of your bars, your background, which I've shown you in a previous video. Okay, if you press F9, you might use that a lot because you can place orders, market execution, take a portion off, buy, sell. But I did make another video which is much quicker if you want to buy, sell. Okay, then if you press F10, will give you your price in greater detail, bigger, from all your commodities, currencies, and you can quickly see all the price here, what they're currently trading at. Okay, if you press F11, right, that will maximize your chart. Press it again, minimize your chart, maximize your chart, minimize your chart. So that one you might use a lot, F11. Okay, now F12 is a nice feature, because if you move your currency backwards, and let's say you want to backtest, F12 will move bar by bar by bar by bar by bar. If you press Shift F12, you can go backwards. Okay, there we go. You can go forward or backwards. Just always remember to press Shift. And now we're going forward on F12. Now we're going backwards. Press Shift, and we can go forwards. Okay, F12 is for backtesting bar by bar. Shift F12 will either make it go forward or backwards. Right. Okay. Control F is a nice feature, because this will bring up your crosshair, and your crosshair you use all the time to measure support and resistance, a lot of things, right? If you use Control G, let's just get rid of this first. Control G, give you your grid. Control G again will take away the grid. Control L will give you volume if you want to use it. Not that any of these indicators really work. Okay, Control L will take it away again. Control P will be for printing if you want to print charts. Okay, Control H I use a lot, because it gives you up here your high, low, open and close, which is the most important thing as a price action trader, because we're just using high, low, open and close all the time. We're not using indicators, as they don't work. There are one or two other keys, but mainly I think these are the keys you'll be using. So Control H to remove or add open, close in the top right hand corner. Hope this was helpful. I'm sure you'll mainly be using F12 for backtesting, and to maximize and minimize, use F11. Hope this was interesting. I will make another video. Thank you very much. Mike May, the Naked Trader. Bye for now.